Alright, so we need to get the muffler on still, which is not going to be fun. It's so hard, those springs. He's finishing up the muffler right there.
Paint. Here's some paint for you.
Yeah, paint. Nice. Like it. Like it.
Okay, what the hell?
What's the problem, Dillhole?
I don't know, Dillhole. What's going on, Dillhole?
There you go.
Okay, Dillhole.
Give me the screws.
The only screw.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Did you clean that?
Yeah, of course I did.
Did you take the...
Wouldn't be sitting on it otherwise.
Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where did it just go?
Right here.
Okay. Yeah, see, there's the other one. I'm like, what do you mean there's only one screw?
You look so shocked when the camera was in your face. Whoa! You're like, whoa! So funny. You're so silly, Dad.
You're so crazy.
Make it hard for people to watch. Go like this.
I don't know why you had problems getting that on, dude.
Because I just did.
We might, right now, we're not going to tighten those because we might need to do some finagling over here. You didn't even get a clean bucket?
No, I cleaned it.
Nah, you didn't clean it good enough. There's oil in there instead.
Yeah, well, so did I. So we're in the same bucket now.
Well, okay, this is the hard part here.
For you. I mean, unless you need my help.
How the hell am I going to get that on there?
Like how the hell you always do it.
I have no idea.
Like a magician.
I might be able to do it like that. Let me see something. Give me the small screwdriver, small long one right down there.
Small, long one.
Right here. No, the small long one right there. Yes.
Sir. See this, guys? This bad boy. This bad boy. This fat boy.
That's the way.
Right there. All the way up it.
No, this isn't work. Come on.
I think that's how it goes on, but it doesn't. Instead, we're gonna watch this guy create sparks and stuff.
Oh, so close. Oh, damn.
Bleep. Bleep. Bleep.
Oh, God.
Bleep. Oh.
Oh, damn, that's so hard. I'm so close. I can't get it.
He can't. What now?
I can't bleep get it.
Good.
Okay, there's one.
Wait, we have to do the other one.
Yeah. Let me boss.
Wait, hold on. I think I can. I think. Hold on. Check this out. Hold the camera. Hold the camera, boss.
All right, boss.
We're doing it.
All right, he's doing it.
Oh yeah. Check me out.
You're so close. You are so close.
You know what? That's it.
Nope, don't do that. Dude, it won't come off. You won't be able to get it off, Dill Hole.
Whatever. Okay. You know what? Have
You
fun.
were